Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.8% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound rise 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair skyrocketed 1.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
An Indian tribunal declined a request by Google to block an antitrust ruling that ordered the tech giant to change its approach to its Android platform, dealing the US firm a setback in a key growth market. Europe's gas prices are slumping as the combination of mild weather and reduced industrial consumption has produced an unusual seasonal increase in inventories, which threatens to overwhelm the storage system. Bitcoin miner Core Scientific will shut down mining rigs tied to Celsius Mining, Core's largest client with over 37,000 machines, after moving to reject its contract in recent days. Both companies are undergoing Chapter 11 bankruptcies.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ADP employment change will be released at 13:15 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The French 10Y bond auction at 0950 GMT. Finland's trade balance will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 0335 GMT. Japan's Consumer Confidence Index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.